Now that you have completed the annotation organizers for the secondary and primary sources for both Akbar the Great and Peter the Great, let's put this information together with a check for understanding. Based on your reading and analysis of the texts and images, write a short comparison between Akbar the Great and Peter the Great. Use the chart provided to write your comparison. Characteristics of Akbar the Great that distinguish him as an absolute ruler. Characteristics of Peter the Great that distinguish him as an absolute ruler. Characteristics that Akbar the Great and Peter the Great share as absolute rulers. You may want to pause this video to complete this check for understanding chart. Moving on to close the lesson, create greatest of all time game trading cards of Akbar the Great and Peter the Great. Choose the information that you would like to put on the back of the cards. The information should be the characteristics that you learned from the sources and you think best feature the ruler as an absolute ruler. The templates for the cards are provided in the following slide. The example basketball greatest of all time game cards from Unit 3 are provided in the slide after if you want a reminder of how those cards look. Now take this time to complete the greatest of all time game trading cards for the absolute rulers Akbar the Great and Peter the Great. Complete the information in the space in blue, and note that you will have time in the next lesson to complete the Louis XIV trading card. And as a reminder, these are the basketball greatest of all time game cards.